Welcome to another video, boys. Just a disclaimer, this is not a how-to video, just two mates in a shed swinging some spanners and talking some shit. So anyway, if you haven't watched the previous video on how to remove the crank bolt and the balancer to get to the water pump, please do watch that one, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks a lot, guys.
We'll just quickly screw this crank bolt in because we're going to have to get the timing set again before we pull this belt off.
We should have honestly done it ASMR. I'd say that's another cover. Oh.
Honestly, even just filming this without doing like an OCD like how-to video is hard enough, let alone like taking the real extra time. Like, credit to those guys.
Alright, need another rag. Careful. You're gonna do that, don't go near the bottom.
This bonnet's fucking ridiculous, hey?
No, it's you.
They could have just put a grill instead of having a fucking stupid snout on the top of the bonnet.
You do it every time.
Yeah, I know, because no bonnet has that gay thing on the front, except for a fucking piece of shit Chaser. I wanted to buy one, I'm not buying one anymore. It's because of the bonnet. Piece of shit, mate.
I see yours, I'm like, dude, why is it cut here? Good wood, right?
Yeah. Why'd you make your own ugly ass custom grill?
Killer.
Let's have a look down there, mate. Any leaking oil? What are you looking at?
On the inside of this a bit.
Show us? Let's have a look. Ooh.
Don't touch it, it's a bit sludgy on the outside. You don't need the damper to turn it, eh?
No, you just turn it by the crank bolt.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, so these marks are so at the top, and then what's the bottom one at?
I'll tell you.
Yeah?
That looks dead on. Do you see the mark I'm talking about?
I can't see it, no, it's dark down there.
I'll show you.
Yeah, I think I can.
Don't ding your head. You're gonna do it again. How should we definitely not put the balancer back on? Because that looks perfect, I'm looking at it.
Yeah, it looks good.
On the pulley as well. Give it a new one.
Hey?
Give it a new colour.
Yeah, but that's the idea. 1, 2 and 3, the idea is to mark the pulley and the belt. Well, realise to get to the timing belt tensioner, we need to pull the alternator off as well. We're going to undo the, whether that's the earth or whatever for the alternator, whichever one it is. Realise we still got the battery connected, so Ben didn't feel like being fried chicken today.
No. Look at this battery terminal though, how beautiful. Why don't we get one of those? Maybe that's a Chaser thing.
The battery terminal? You can buy them new from OEM for JDM.
Oh man, the box.
The battery box? Okay, okay.
We only get the bottom.
I mean, we could make one out of some Bunnings cardboard straight black.
Cardboard.
Yeah. What's it made out of? Is it plastic? It's like that weird fibro. I don't know. Hang on. Last bolt for the alternator. Yeah. Beautiful. Why is it so dirty, man? What's that?
That's from the coolant.
Oh.
This is legit from spraying.
Rough. All right, now that that's gone, we can get to the timing belt tensioner, which is that guy there. And yeah, all of that just to be able to get to all the bolts for the water pump right here. Which, for those of you that don't know, there is like a little drain sort of piece here underneath. And yeah, it was leaking, which is the reason we're doing the water pump today. Ooh, oh yeah, that definitely loosened tension on that. That crank ball, man, so lucky you bought one. Well, yeah, see how this side's still got a lot of tension on it? So when you're putting it back on, see how that's loose? You've got to make sure you have all the tension on that side, which is what a lot of people forget. Well, when they're new to it anyway. Beautiful, you little ripper, mate. What?
Isn't that supposed to go down? Why is it like perfect height for an anchor?
I don't know, so...
Isn't it supposed to keep pushing out?
How strong is it?
Or is that hole supposed to actually go through here?
Yeah. I'd say so.
Yeah.
So that you can, yeah.
We can worry about that later.
We'll worry about it later, man. Now we can get this, you want to do the honours and take the belt off?
Yeah. Someone's learning to drive. Don't keep your eyes on the road, woman.
Oh man, she crashed. She saw the Supra, got excited and crashed.
Poor socks, man. These were good socks too.
Yeah. Come on, man. Do the honours. Take the belt off.
Just ruined the whole sock.
Oh no.
Even though I just walked right. I really should make sure my hands clean, right? They're right.
Yeah, they're
Mechanics
right.
are on them all day.
They're right, mate. Get in there.
What do I do? What happens there?
Just leave it.
Okay.
Don't be scared of it, mate.
Terrified.
Just take the side with the slack on it is a bit you want to pull off from the left side. Yeah. Yeah.
Probably should pull a.
There you go.
Ow! Hurt me.
Mate, you got Parkinson's,
Wait,
man? You're shaking like a Parkinson's patient.
Because I've been like in this position.
For too long, yeah. Probably need some food.
Just ate it.
Yeah, true. I'm hungry already.
Oh my god. Alright. Killer. This is small, dude. Did you ever think the timing belt was this small? I did not.
All right, now everything's out, we can get to the water pump bolts. Well, yawning.
Here we go.
Here's one we prepared earlier. We didn't do that. I'll put the YouTuber's name in the description.
Why is
for
it
this
removing
one.
this?
Because he's a legend.
You need to remove it.
ASMR 1J build. Wowee. So yeah, upper water next to it to come off as well. And there is like a pipe from the water pump to the upper water neck, which we'll do the O-rings in as well. And we're gonna do the thermostat whilst we're here too. So we got the last, the last bolt on the thermostat housing that's been a pain. Hey Ben.
That's it.
We finally got it. And after that, we got a bolt. Wow. What do you reckon? That was like half an hour? Maybe longer.
Long time.
It's a long time. And yeah, now a bolt behind the water pump, and then we got the 5 on front, and should be good. We got limited daylight. We got a couple of hours until the sun goes down, but hopefully
What time is it?
I don't know, dude. It's probably like, let's have a look. It is 4:30, man. I don't know.
An hour and a half?
Yeah, we'll get it done, man. What do you reckon, mate?
Well,
What do you think?
I'm thinking as long as these other 2 bolts at the back aren't a pain, then yeah. I'm really doubting the water pump. Too much of a pain.
Yeah, surely it's pretty straightforward.
That's what we're hoping for. Pray for us.
Oh well.
Press that subscribe
Fingers
button.
crossed.
Do you think we're not going to do it?
Yeah, if you don't think we're going to make it, hit the like button anyway.
After all this, we have a head gasket issue.
Yeah. And yeah, and if you really don't like us, comment down the bottom. Tell us you wish a bad head gasket upon us.
Please don't leak.
Oh well, let's have a look at that bad girl.
She looks alright, actually.
He probably did have a new one in there, so.
Hold this for me. I'm just wanting to move this. I don't know.
Beautiful.
I'm a little worried about.
Like Christmas, man, you ready for a YouTuber unboxing, your first one?
Open them up. It's just a bunch of things from Toy Story.
Yeah, a bunch of Chinese parts straight from China Toyota.
Dude, that's really sharp.
Actually. Oh, OEM for JDM. Look at that. Thanks, Kieran. Did you give us some stickers?
Always gets.
What a mad dog. We'll give him a... Thanks, Kieran. What do we got? Brand spank. Look how beautiful that thing is.
Look at this though. What's that Jappy running?
Yeah, it's probably...
Look how new it is. Well, I freaking hope so.
What do we got? Nice new
Bolt.
crank bolt.
Bought that thing.
Oh, yep, the bypass valve, the water pump bypass valve.
Thermostat.
That, oh yeah,
It's a bit damaged.
brand new thermostat.
Okay, so yeah.
Beautiful.
Yep, Joe, gotta take those off.
Oh yeah, for the valve. Yeah, okay, I gotcha. Yeah, so that's for the coolant bypass.
This is the weep hole that was leaking.
Where?
Here.
That's not the weep hole.
No, this one.
Weep hole's down here.
That's what was leaking.
Nice.
Alright, well.
Yeah, so that's for the water bypass hose that goes wraps around the back of the head and to the oil cooler and stuff. Oh, all right, starting to make more sense. If you can't tell, we're both buggered. We haven't eaten, drank too much water, haven't drank too much water, and yeah, but we won't let it defeat us. All right, so something else we figured out to get the water pump off. We definitely do need to take that, the idler pulley for the timing belt off. And we just found out as well, so this water pump that's in this car is a GMB water pump, so an aftermarket water pump. So the question is, did it fail because it's an aftermarket water pump, or is it because of the coolant that was in it, or has it been in there for a long time? Who knows?
This looks new, dude.
Yeah.
Pretty spanking new.
The head looks really clean, like that water pump looks new.
Though.
We're pretty sure it's had a timing belt done. I'm pretty sure the previous owner said timing belt, right?
Yeah.
Or he at least had one done when it came into the country or something like that. So it's all new-ish, but that's probably 80,000 Ks ago.
Yeah, I did get that.
And yeah, an aftermarket pump. So stick to genuine Toyota, guys, I reckon. Genuine Toyota, hey Benny.
Yeah.
Benny didn't give a fuck. He just wants to get you done. All right, type of water pump bolt.
Is that one? No.
No, it's the oil pump, dude.
I loosened it, dude.
You what?
I loosened it.
You just did an oil pump one, dude.
Did I?
Yeah, it's an oil pump on the bottom one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but don't over tighten it. You don't want to strip it either.
Yeah. Alright, so only these ones?
5. There's 5 of them.
This one?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Did you do the 2 top ones?
This one?
Yep.
Why the hell is that small? Nah, that
It's,
looks like
it's not a smaller one. It's all the 14mm bolts. Or 12 mils.
It's probably this one too.
It's all the 12 mils.
This one? I can't believe it just did oil pump. That's right, isn't it?
Yeah, man. JZs don't have oiling problems, so even if you did lose oil pump, it'll probably still keep running. Fully synthetic oil, she'll still run, man.
Where do we put the ratchet, Joe?
Ratchets. Ratchets, time is in the toolbox. Is it on the engine bay? No, it's under there. There it is. Look, hiding right here under this big ass front bumper.
Thanks. Should I double check that oil again?
No, because you tightened it like shitloads.
Okay. Well, that's right then. It's good.
Yeah, I guess. If you go further, you don't want to strip it. Oop, dripping coolant now.
All over the time belt.
Oh, you got... It's alright, you gotta compress them and blow it all out.
Can't be that. And inspect it. What is that noise?
It's just a bolt. Yeah, don't lose a bolt.
Alright, well, let's put this back in. Yeah, but
just brown water, yeah.
we don't even get to see what failed.
Well, we can pull the front off the rear housing and just have a look.
We are going to.
Struggling, mate. Oh, dude, that's hard.
Yeah,
Oh, alright, so everything's out. Just got to remove that O-ring, put the new one in. And then, yeah, first thing first, we'll put the water pump in. So, yeah, we'll have to attach the water bypass, sort of, what would you call it? The tube that goes in here, attach that, which then goes to the upper water neck, which is over there. Put that bad boy back on, and then yeah, it's just a matter of reassembling. The rubber grease on the O-rings.
Yeah, mate. That does not feel right. Does it?
I don't know, eh? Is that not it?
Or are the other ones just so seized?
Maybe just seized on because it was... Did you use the corrector? Yeah, it's the only O-rings in there. Kind of weird though, eh? Let's have a look at the old one, I guess.
What's it look like? Just the top of it.
It's just in there so much more like solid, like I
Seized.
But it doesn't, like why I can turn it though. But
Well, to be fair,
I don't know.
this has a recessed edge. Should be right. Send it with this gasket.
Yeah, I think looks good. Yep. So it's like in the groove. Like it's just gonna press. It's gonna seal it, push into the groove. So.
Where's this one going here?
No, you got to come further my way.
What am I getting?
Well, you got to push it. The bypass valve that's there. That hard line back there with the gasket. It's got to line up.
Yeah, we're gonna break for a second. Holy fuck. Holy crap, it's hard. Let's give it a crack. I'll use this with me. Which that looks about right.
Yep, there it is. That's the one, my friend.
Alright, where would this one go? Gold, top here? That was gold.
Yeah, and then the grey one was that top left one.
Grey, we got 2 greys.
One grey was on this side, on the left.
Do you reckon that gasket looked right when it went up?
Yep. Well, hopefully we don't get rained on, but that looks like a pretty wild cloud.
Dude, that looks sick. That's
If I had my tinfoil hat on, I wouldn't call it a cumulonimbus. I'd call it chemtrails, man.
So, which one, Joe? Which one was gold? Which one was... There's a gold one here.
Yeah, down the bottom, yeah.
And then the other one's grey.
On the fully to the left is grey, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, that was
So
it.
do you have confidence that that O-ring just seals itself?
Yep.
How can we test it?
Bolt it all together, see if it leaks. And if it leaks, then don't know, you're on your own, man. You'll have to rent my brand new Makita tool at a very, very high price. Second time round, I upped the price.
IGA was like, yeah, you just missed out by 10 minutes.
Update on the black clouds.
Did you get one of the big storm front coming in?
Yeah, man. Now it's here.
Yeah, come on, man, news reporter. Welcome back to the weather of Victoria Point. In the background, we have one of the meteor radar cars, and that has a sonar on it, and it says that may have a slight chance of rain, but it is going to clear up a little later. So if you check back in, the JZX sonar will bring you the latest update to the weather in your local Redlands. Good night.
I tell you what, mate. If I ever need a weatherman for the channel, you're the man. If Channel 9 doesn't want you, then you're on mine, mate.
Crumb channel want me.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, all right, we're buggered. We're gonna go get some pizza from Domino's. It's gonna be great, and then we're gonna still crank on through the night. Hopefully my batteries don't die in the GoPro, but yeah. Hopefully this hasn't bored you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see down below, and yeah, then we're in for round 2 of let's get this thing back together and go drift. I mean, we got some horsepower juice on the ground. Hey Benny.
Yeah, that's it, man. Some drift lube.
Drift lube, that's the one. That's what I was looking for. So buggered. Can't even think.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
Domino's could not come soon enough. Nom nom.
Nom nom.
Hopefully this gives me the energy to keep powering through, boys.
I reckon it will.
You reckon? Yeah. Right, let's go.
I mean, let's be real, we've done all the hard stuff.
Yeah, and it's weird, man. I'm buggered, and I didn't even do half the work, man.
I feel fucked.
It's bad. This is not the optimal lighting.
Alright.
So in saying that, we'll see what we can film for the remainder. If, you know, depending on what we get done now, I might just pick up the video tomorrow. Even if we get a little bit done tonight or most of it, like I'll do the outro tomorrow when there's more daylight and whatever, and yeah, see how we go. Oh, well fed, but Ben's gonna do the rest anyway, and I'm gonna take a seat on, I don't know, there's meant to be a nice camping chair here for me.